kitchen is starting. You're gonna love the results. Our team can do it all. So give us a call. We'll take care of all your remodeling needs. Take care. Wow, take a look at this kitchen. It looks spectacular, doesn't it? The whole house came out great. Flooring looks great, painting. It's like a brand new house. And this is what we do every single day for our clients. Many of our clients want to sell their homes and they want to maximize their return. And this is how we do it. Every day working for them. We can do the same for you. If you like this content, please click on the subscribe button so we can provide you more.